Hey guys, welcome back. Just a quick one today. I'm actually printing something, sorry for the noise back there, for a video I'm going to make for you guys to share later, but I wanted to do a quick brief video about captive nuts in 3D prints. A lot of people like to use 3D, like threaded inserts, right? Threaded inserts, they'll heat them and push them into the 3D print and go on their way, put screws in, whatever. I personally, I've used those before, and I always seem to have trouble with those. Maybe it's just me. But one thing I like to use, that I use probably more often, is captive nuts. And what that is either a hole or a hex shape for the nut to go into. I think I started using these when I built the Piper 3D. That was based off of this, and I really liked those designs, and it was very strong and held together nice. Maybe I have a video on that somewhere. I'll link that here. But on these particular ones, they were just round holes, and they were meant for like a 6mm nut, and I didn't have any of those, so I did have a bunch of 1/4-20s, and the rest of the project took 1/4-20s. So I thought, I'll drill it out with my drill, and I'll heat press these in, and that's exactly what I did. So what I took was just a 1/4-20 nut, set it on the end of a screwdriver, right? I don't think I have that screwdriver here. And just set it up there and then heated it with a lighter. And then what I did is I went and I just pressed it in. And what I like to do in addition to that is put some hot glue around it. That's what you see. Oops, sorry, let me get that in view for you. Is to put some hot glue around it. And that's what you see on the top right here. Okay, camera's finally in focus. But yeah, what I did is I just dabble hot glue around it. And that hot glue, when you attach those parts, let me get into camera. When you attach those parts, it'll compress on there. And if it doesn't compress enough, I'll take a knife and or a razor blade or something, scrape it off. But this is what I prefer when connecting 3D parts. I've done it just using plastic threads before, basically make your own threads. It usually doesn't last too long. This seems to last longer, and if a nut falls out, I can glue it back in. Now this isn't for what I would call major structural holding together. It's for a camera cage, basically, and a video to come on that. I'm making this all 3D printed since I've had some complaints about how shaky my camera stuff is sometimes. So making that cage, we'll get into that later, but I just wanted to cover this. Now, how do you guys do this? Do you prefer the threaded inserts, they heat those in, or do you prefer captive nuts? I prefer captive nuts. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all I had for you. A quick one today. Look for a video coming on this. This is how I like to attach 3D printed parts. Let me know what you think. Have a conversation below. Let's get into it. We'll see you guys.